Buting tao, magandang buhay. Live and alive. Welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Welcome to my boy channel. For this morning, I'm here in Davao City to celebrate Kadayawan, 38 Kadayawan Festival. Kadayawan, the month of August. And my task now is to feature our co-Davaoeños with small business. They are photographers. Okay. Wave to the camera.
Hey.
Yeah. Pila nakakatuig nag picture?
Mga 15 years.
15 years. Okay. And daily, bawat araw nandito kayo.
Session lang, session.
Okay. And picture ko na kanina, si sir. Hi.
Okay,
Wave to the camera.
Yan ang vlogger.
Yeah. Welcome to my boy channel. Hi, sir. Picture na, sir. Hi. Wave to the camera, sir. Oh, si sir. Yun ang mga small business. Anong tawag sa association ninyo? Photographers of Davao?
Maniniyot ng Davao.
Ha?
Maniniyot.
Video?
Maniniyot.
Maniniyot sa Davao. Oh, please come now. Ayun, sir. You're also a client. Magpa-picture kanila, sir. Oh, sir, guwapo live. Produce yourself. Nakapa-picture ka na nila?
Wala pa po.
Wala pa, pa-picture ka na. 50 pesos daw isa.
Sa
14.
YouTube channel ni ma'am.
Oh, YouTube channel. Mabuhay channel.
YouTube channel ma'am.
Yeah, mabuhay. Your name?
My name is Prince. You can subscribe also in YouTube channel.
Yeah, you have your YouTube. What's the name of your YouTube?
Prince Bukas po.
Okay, invite the viewers. Invite them also to...
Hi guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prince Bukas.
Again, make it clear.
I do travel vlog.
Travel vlog.
Opo.
Okay, and my mabuhay channel. Sir, ha?
Subscribe
Please.
na kayo sa kay Mama Boy channel.
Yeah, please subscribe also. Teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. So, that's your only your part-time. Marami ka ng views. Sa akin, ano pa lang.
Bago lang din na monetize.
Nagsimula lang ako, sir.
Oh.
So, please, let us help one another. Yeah, sir, guwapo, oh. So, thank you so much for this sharing of videos. Mabuhay channel, sir, ha? No, don't forget. So, here we are, and you're not capturing Kadayawan now? You capture Kadayawan. What are your contents? Ano mga content mo?
Travel vlog po.
Travel vlog.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Wow! I'll be going to Bohol next week. Cebu. I will feature also. With my batchmates. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, share my Mabuhay channel. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao.
Mabuhay.
And let's go around. I'll be back later. Let's have a picture. Okay, this is the entrance having Kadayawan, and a beautiful spot wherein people would love to have their photo shoots on this side, Kadayawan. We have the City Hall of Davao. Okay, with 38 Kadayawan Festival of Talents. And another one, the Dorian. Let's have a pose here in our City Hall of Davao. Sir, I've already interviewed some of the photographers. Pila na mo katuig nga nag-picture-picture.
Ano man talito?
Hindi, wala pa kanuman ba?
Mana lagi?
Sir, sige. So, sa isa ka adlaw, pila man income nyo. Appeal ka, ma'am. You are the, kasama kayo, your dili. Pila man sa isa ka yung income.
Wala klaro ma'am.
Ay, wala klaro. Oo.
Klaro rin mga kapatid.
Pero man sa...
Wala na nagat ng saya na.
Pero makabuhi man sa pila ka asawa.
Dili ka may kasama mo.
Isa lang asawa?
Dili ka may kasama ko. Wala dili, galingo na.
Lingaw-lingaw lang. Oo. Ako,
Nakay matusok.
yeah, okay lang. Oo. Kami rin, yan ang dati namin nabuhay. Yung film, sir. Yung film. Oo. Pero pagdating ng digital, wala na. Ito na lang kinakaroon.
Yung panahon ng film pa, malakas ito.
Oh, mas marami. Wala pa yung mga ganito na maraming, wala pang mga cellphone. Ma'am, nagpa-picture ka rin kay sir? Wala? Wala dati. Oh, so, introduce yourself. Mabuhay channel tayo. Okay.